I want to thank my cousin Bryon for sending me a very special box. As you all know, my Aunt Mary passed away November the 18th, 2018. And she was a very supporting aunt with my Mary Kay business. And my cousin has sent me some things that she cherished. And some of them are going to be some products that my aunt used. And I thought I would just do a video as a thank you to my cousin Bryon for taking out the time to do this, because I know that it was difficult. And it's probably going to be a little difficult on me as well. But I wanted to just honor her today for always being a great support and for introducing me to Mary Kay. When we were little girls, Aunt Mary would bring us Lane Bryant stockings and also would bring us her Mary Kay products. And I fell in love with the products at a very young age. And so Aunt Mary is very dear to me. She'll always be here in my heart. I know she's resting with Jesus, and no, it doesn't get easy, but the fact that she's resting with Jesus does make it feel a little better. So I'm going to open it up. It's a very big box. I'm just going to open it up and kind of see something that he found. One of the things he found is one of the older Mary Kay bottles. This is actually the Mary Kay bottle that this is actually one of the first skincare lines that Mary Kay came out with, and this is the one that I'm used to when I was little. And this is a Moisture Rich Mask Formula 1. It says Mary Kay. Of course, I'm not going to use these. It's just going to be some sentimental values. But this is one thing that he had for me. This is also actually one of her cosmetics here that she had, because she loved different cosmetics as well. So this is a Calvin Klein Eternity. So she had some cream. Doesn't even look like she really opened this up that much. But this was some probably some translucent powder or something that she. He sent Aunt Mary some. These are some gloves. Aunt Mary was the usher in the church, and he put these in here for my mom. But this is her. She was a usher with the New Morning Star Baptist Church, and she took that job very seriously. So he sent some gloves. Oh man. This is an old mineral powder that we used to have. This is back in the day. This is our signature loose powder. This was actually a light bronze. So this is before the ones we got here. This is an older powder. It's kind of fun to look through some of these things. It's some hair grease that she had. She had a lot of mineral powders. This one's a bronze one. So this is the one we have now. If you can compare that to what we used to have, this is what we used to have back in the day, and this is the one that we have now. So that's neat. A palette here. This is one of her Mary Kay palettes. This is an old one. This is definitely old. It has a brush. I wish we could come back with that actually. It has a brush, and that's probably a bronze or something. Some nail polish. Aunt Mary loved to keep her nails done. Very classy lady. Some of her old lipsticks and hair. She kept her hair in rollers at night. You would see her rolling her hair. And she believed in taking care of her hair. This is a very berry lipstick. She loved her rich lipsticks. The rich berry colors is some of her favorites. Some nail polish. Some more nail polish. She loved nail polish. This is one of the samples I sent her. Actually, a perfume sample called Thinking of You. She loves her compacts. This one here, I don't know if this is some. Okay, this is the Andra. She loved her compacts. This is like the Andra. It's not Mary Kay, but it's very pretty. Very pretty. Oh my God. This is one of the old day solutions that we used to have before we came out with the Time Wise 3D. She used to always love her day solution. She's like, I like that one in the pink box. Aunt Mary had some. She had a lot of. Oh wow, this is like a brush set that she had acquired. That is so pretty and neat. Yeah. This, you can tell this is very old. I don't know how many years she's had that, but she kept it up. She loved her makeup. It's another compact. That one's a little bit too light. That was CoverGirl. That might have been before she started doing Mary Kay. Oh Lord, oh yeah. This is a bronze one sheer powder. She used to love the endless powder. Then I got her, which was the cream to powder, and I got her started on this sheer powder. And she never did go back when she went to that sheer powder. She'd be like, "You got me hooked. You got me hooked on that." I just want to thank my cousin for taking the time to box this up. You know. Of course, these are just keepsakes, and this is the old Mary Kay. This is vintage. This is vintage. This is one of the older Mary Kays that we have, and it even have our signature. This, I don't know what year this came out. I'm gonna do this video, so if in the comments, if some of you all that's been with Mary Kay for years and you know what year this was, put in the comments, because I'm going to be doing this for YouTube. It's going to go to my YouTube channel. Put in the comments what year this was. This is so neat though. This is vintage. These are definitely keepsakes. Another one of our bronze one powders. Oh my God, here's another vintage Mary Kay. This was a pressed powder. This is vintage. I don't know what year this is. So if anybody's watching and you know the year, I'm pretty sure that was some type of bronze. These are some samples I sent her. These are the bags that I used to have, the Diva bags, which I'm gonna get some more of those, but I used to send things in samples. So this is probably one of my sample packs I sent. This is a nice compact that we used to have. This actually came out, I think, for our 50th anniversary. We came out with this special compact. So she got that one with the compressed powder on it. These are some of the old foundations that we had. Oh, this is the Bronze 600. We just eliminated those, I think, a year and a half ago. Anybody remember the old satin hands? The old satin hands that we used to have? This is one of those, fragrance-free. one of the old brushes that we used to have. I believe this is Mary Kay. No, this may be another. I don't believe this is Mary Kay. But she loved makeup brushes, so I don't think that was Mary Kay. Some more vintage foundations. She loved her day solution. I got several bottles of those. Another vintage compact. This is the one they used to have that actually had the lipstick. We used to have those a while back. This is probably Rich Fog. Yep, this is Rich Fig. Aunt Mary loved her Rich Fig. This is one of the ones. This was a cream lipstick that we had, and we discontinued that about 3 years ago when the cream ones went out. But this is old and vintage. And no, these are not for sale. Some more lipsticks and lotions. This is an old one here. Wonder what this is. One of the signature lipsticks. Let me see what. One thing about Mary Kay is we're gonna have something that shows it's us, and then we always have it on the back. This was called Downtown Brown. Oh my God! Do anybody remember Downtown Brown? Oh my God, this is one of the favorites. This is one of the favorite lipsticks that we used to have called Downtown Brown. That was a lipstick that was very, very, I mean, people used to love Downtown Brown. We've come up with some more now, but Downtown Brown was a favorite. Getting almost to the end. Some more foundations, full coverage. Bronze 808. That would probably been a little bit too deep for her. She probably was using that as a contour. Oh my God, these are the old mascaras back in the day. This is the signature ultimate mascara, y'all. Oh my God, I've never seen this before. We got a new ultimate that is great now, but this is a signature one. So we used to have a signature line with Mary Kay, and that's before my time. So some of these things I am just like, y'all are just watching. This is real reality. I'm just like having a fit over here. One of her brushes, and she kept them so great. Brushes. Oh, she used to wear, I did not know she liked them. Beauty blotters. We actually still have those. This is beauty blotters that we used to have. That's good for keeping the, when you're sweating and stuff. That was something good. And Aunt Mary did sweat quite a bit. So. A signature facial highlighting pen. I got to see how that looks. Highlighting pen. We used to have this a long time ago. I'm curious to see how that looks. Oh yeah, we had one that was similar to that we discontinued, because now we have the concealers and the bronzers. But this is signature, very signature. Another signature compact. So if anybody's watching, put in the comments to let me know what year these were, because I don't know. They were before my time. So if anybody knows that, and you're an old Mary Kay, either Mary Kay director or a Mary Kay consultant, or just a Mary Kay customer that used these products, please let me know, because I would love to know what they are. This is our old concealer, I believe. Yeah, Bronze 3. Yeah, we used to have a concealer that was in this tube. Now we done went to one that has it's like a spoolie type of one. I'm nearing the end. It's just a few more things here. Just some brushes and things like that. Hairpins. Another signature Mary Kay blush. If I can remember how, because these are before my time, so I made. Oh, okay, you slide it. Oh, okay, look at that. Look at that. That is neat. And that was that. This one was, let me see what. Oh, the Day Radiance. I remembered, I've heard of the Day Radiance. Oh yeah, okay. This was called Day Radiance. So I've had customers that would come and like, do y'all still carry this? And y'all still carry that? And that was before my time, so I didn't know. So some more lipsticks. I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, this is just, most of the rest of it is just little like sponges and things like that. This is another, should have known, another Rich Fig. Look at that. We have some that different colors now, but these were the cream that were so special. So that is all that I have here. It just was a special tribute to my Aunt Mary. My cousin Bryon took the time out to put it all in the sack for me so that I can just have something to remember her by. And like I said, these are some vintage makeup. Some of these are some vintage. So if you know what they are and you can educate me on some of the older compacts, please put that in the comments box. And I just want to say, I love you, Aunt Mary. I miss you so, so much. She was my confidant. She was my friend, my auntie. I called her mom sometime. And I miss seeing her on earth, but I know that she has got her heavenly reward. And so, therefore, I know that she would want me to keep on going. I do want to let her know that Cousin Bryon is doing a wonderful job with Uncle William. We love and we miss you. And thank you so much, Cousin Bryon, for taking the time out, which I call bruh, because we're close like that. Thank you for taking the time out to send me these precious memories, and I should hold them dear to my heart. You all have a wonderful night, and bye-bye.